Sometimes small signs can point to bigger airway issues. Snoring, restless sleep, mouth breathing, or even frequent night wakings may signal that a child isn't getting enough oxygen at night. Over time, that can affect growth, attention, and mood. Myofunctional therapy helps identify and correct the muscles and breathing habits behind these problems, supporting nasal breathing and airway strength for better rest. If your child shows these early signs, don't wait. Schedule an airway evaluation at MyoWay Centers for Kids and give them the gift of healthy, restorative sleep.